Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mohammad Rafi and you are watching RAYTECHSTUDIO. As you know that most of the lights from our studio is being sponsored by the Govee, and again Govee has sent us an amazing product which is glide wall hexagon panels guys. Well, these hexagon panels are the amazing replacement of Nanoleaf panels guys, but also these are available into much cheaper prices into the market. Well, these hexagon light panels are available into configuration of 4, a pack of 10, a pack of 14, a pack of 20 and a pack of 7, and today we are going to review the pack of 10. A huge shout out to Govee for sending us these amazing glide wall hexagon panels guys, and without wasting any of the time now, let's start the show. Before moving further guys, do you know 99% of our viewers haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, which is a big shocking thing for us. So quickly go down and press the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can receive the notification of our latest videos. Now let's quickly do the unboxing and see what components they have provided you into the box. Well, starting up from how to set up these panels on the wall guys. As you can see that the Govee has provided you multiple things into the box which you can use to easily fix these panels on the wall guys. Well, before starting all the things, you just need to think for the pattern or the design you want to apply on the wall. Also the pattern are also available into the Govee application which you can download from your Play Store or the also iOS store guys. First you need to place the first panel on the wall by using the sticky tapes they have provided you. And also about the sticky tapes, these sticky tapes can't be used again and again guys. You can only use the sticky tape only once, and also these sticky tapes are much more easy to remove because these are pull type of sticky tapes which you can pull and just take off the panel from the wall. They're talking about the connectors guys which are used to connect these panels with each other. The best thing about these connectors is this, the connectors are flexible. Even you can use these connectors to connect the panels on the turnings of the wall, which I think is a really great job by the Govee. Also they have provided you a bubble level into the box which you can use to level the Govee panels on the wall, and also a aligner which you can use to align the next panel on the wall. And also it's really easy guys, it's not a really tough job. I think the right type of the instructions the Govee has provided you on the application and also the booklet, and you can use those instructions to fix these panels really easily.
Just take a
Okay guys, so after installing the Govee application from the Play Store, you just need to open the application, and over here you can see at the top right corner there is a plus sign. Just click over the sign. So before doing anything, you just need to select from over here indoor lighting, and into the indoor lighting just select the Govee Hexa Light Panels. And into the Govee Hexa Light Panels, you can see the Bluetooth is already showing the model number of the light panels. Click on the connect, and after clicking on the connect, you will see it's trying to say that press the on and off button on the controller of the Govee application, and for that you just need to click on the button once like this. And after that the Govee will open the instruction panel of the instruction video over here, which you can watch for your further learning. But if you don't want to watch it, just click the next button, and after clicking the next button you just need to plug in the power connector into your first panel, and then click the next. And after clicking the next, you just need to decide what pattern you will be using for your all of the light panels. And after selecting the panel, you can click on the plus and the minus button for adding the panels. We have already added the panels because we are using the 10 panels. So click to next, and then again next, and it will show you the all of the connectivity and all of the patterns and all of the settings. And for that now you just need to calibrate all of the panels by clicking the next panel like this, and then confirm the settings. And after confirming, just start the calibration. You see over here the Govee application is showing the color and also indicating over there. Just click on the next like this and click on the confirm. Okay then guys, all of the things are being done now. Just add the password of your internet connection and then move forward. And after that your Govee application will be connected with your panels. Talking about the design and the build quality guys, as you know that the Govee is already famous for their exceptional minimalistic designs, and the Govee glidewall Hexa panels are no different guys. Opening up the box, you can see 10 individual panels which you can easily connect with each other according to your taste and liking. Moreover guys, these light panels are much more modular because at the back side of these light panels they have provided you 6 slots into the 6 direction, and by using these slots you can easily connect the light panels with each other by using the connectors they have provided you into the box. And also these connectors help to transmit the data from one panel to other panels guys, and also these connectors are much more flexible. You can place the panels even on the turnings of the wall by using these connectors, which I think is a plus point for these hexagon light panels. These hexagon panels are similar to the Nanoleaf hexagon panels, but these are a bit smaller than the size of the Nanoleaf hexagon panels, and also have a floating designs which we are a big fan of. I personally think that the smaller size of these panels will help you to do the management of these panels easy, and also it will not take a much spread on the wall, because the bigger the size of the panels, it will take more spread on the wall, and the management of the panels will be much tough. But in these panels you will not face any kind of a disappointment like this. These Hexa panels can display up to 6 colors at once, and thanks to the RGB technology of the Govee guys, it gives you freely independence to set and to align all of the gradient effects and the transmission effects, and also all the type of the taste you can easily set up from the application of the Govee. Also these light panels have narrow borders guys, which run on the all 6 directions of the panel, and which provide a futuristic and a really cool look to the whole panel. Now talking about the build quality of these panels guys, the build quality is really solid, and also the adhesive stickers they have provided you for the panels are really great guys. It can easily stick on the texture walls or the concrete walls, and the panels will not fall off. There is a small disappointment or a drawback you can say. If you see the controller of these Govee light panels guys, they have only a one button to change the effect or turn on and off the these panels, guys. I personally think that they should be given you 3 buttons, 2 buttons for increasing or decreasing the brightness of the lights, but they just have provided you a single button, and all of the other functions can be only controlled by the Govee application. You can easily download from the Play Store into your phone. Okay guys, now talking about the other features of this application, just open the application of the Govee and select the type of the light panels you already have installed into the Govee application. Over here you can see the multiple functions. First of all, you can control the brightness from the brightness tab. As you know that the Govee already haven't provided any type of the buttons on the controller for increasing and decreasing the brightness from, but over here you can select and decrease and increase the brightness according to your own choice, and also you can select the individually all of the panels if you want to increase and decrease the brightness of every panel. Okay guys, now talking about the other presets and the effects which Govee already have provided you into this application. First of all, these are the colors. From over here you can select the choice of your own colors and set individually into all light panels, guys. And also you can select the type of the gradient and the transition effects from over here. And into the scene, Govee have provided you already installed pre-installed some of the presets which are really great, and you can select from over here and according to your choice and liking, guys. Now going into the DIY, guys, if you have some ideas of the transactions and the presets, you can make according to your own choice and liking. And Govee also has provided the function of the music. As you know that Govee has installed a mic into the controller, and also you can use the mic of the controller, and also the mic of the mobile can be used over here. Using this mic and this effect, the Govee will be controlling all of the presets and the transition of the lighting according to the choice of the music and the mic. Now guys, talking about the other small features like the timer. From the timer you can select when you need to turn on and off auto settings of these panels, and from the autoplay and effects lab, into the effects lab you can make the type of the effects of your own choice. And well guys, Govee has provided many other functions as well into the application. You can check online and also according to your taste and liking. Thank you. Now guys, talking about the price and the warranty of these panels, the pack of 10 is available for the price of $159 guys. And talking about the other configuration, the price varies from $109 to $215. And also Govee is giving you a warranty of limited warranty of 1 year starting from the date of the purchase of these panels. Well, the overall look and the feel of these panels are really great. I think you should buy these because as you can see that I have fixed these panels into our studio, and hopefully in our future I will be fixing more light panels from the Govee into our studio because I personally like the Govee products very much. Well guys, this was a Govee glide wall Hexa panels. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have some thoughts, you can easily mention into the comments. We will answer you over there, and I will see you into the next one now. Thank you.